fellow filmmakers and content creators. I recently bought the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II, but I was still missing something. So today we are going to take a deep dive into the SmallRig Black Mamba cage kit for the Lumix S5 II and S5 IIX, and why it's an essential piece of kit of your filmmaking arsenal. The Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II is a very capable camera, sleek and compact, perfect for the on-go shooting. However, when it comes to professional filmmaking, you need more than just a bare-bones setup, right? That's where the SmallRig Black Mamba cage kit comes in. Let's have a look at the installation itself. It's compatible with the Panasonic Lumix S5 II, but also with Lumix S5 IIX. It's durable, built from aluminum alloy and weighs only 420 grams. Some cages can block access to your top buttons, but that's not the case of this one. You will have no problem to reach any of the buttons you want. This kit also includes thumbscrew tighten cable clamp, which fixes HDMI and USB-C cables at the same time. It has also multiple 1/4" 20, 3H 16 mounting points all over the cage for attaching monitors, microphones, LED video lights, SSD disks and so on. It has also dual cold shoe mounts and NATO rails. It has also strap holes in both sides for attaching your camera strap. It has also secure anti-twist triple locking system. On the bottom 5 1/4" and 1 3/8" threaded holes and side lock, so your S5 II will not move by a whisker anymore. Fine, that's all great, but SmallRig has one more ace up its sleeve. It has also Arca Swiss quick release plate for Arca Swiss tripods and DJI RS2 up to RS3 Pro gimbals. So when I saw SmallRig introduce this Black Mamba kit, I was sold. You should definitely check out this SmallRig Black Mamba cage kit for the Panasonic Lumix S5 II and S5 IIX. Going to take a deep dive into the SmallRig Black Mamba cage kit. Yeah, dive into the SmallRig SmallRig Black Mamba cage, into the SmallRig, a deep dive into the SmallRig Black Mamba cage. Oh God, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.